In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Keyline Affinity photo. A keyline is a thin outline that helps your subject pop from the background, and we'll create it quickly and cleanly using Affinity Photo's built-in effects. First, make sure you're in your editing workspace with your project open and ready. The idea is simply to be in the app where you'll be working so you can follow along without distractions. Before we add the keyline, confirm you have a clear subject and a background in your image. It's fine if everything is on one layer. We just need to isolate the subject so the outline hugs its edges. Switch to the pixel view at the top, then choose the selection brush tool from the toolbar on the left. With the brush set to add, paint over the background to select it. If you accidentally grab part of the subject, switch to subtract and brush that area back out. Zoom in around hair, hands, and edges to refine the selection so it's clean and accurate. A tidy selection here will give you a crisp keyline later. Once the background is selected, press Delete. That removes the background from the active layer, leaving transparency around your subject. If the delete looks harsh, step back and refine the selection a bit more at the edges before trying again. Now switch back from pixel view to the main view so you can apply effects. Open the Quick Effects panel on the right, turn on Outline, and you'll see a thin border appear around your subject. Choose a color that contrasts with your image, adjust opacity to control how bold the line feels, and increase or decrease the radius to set the thickness. Subtle often looks more professional, so start small and nudge it up until the subject separates cleanly without looking cartoonish. Take a final look at the edges and tweak the outline settings until everything feels balanced. And that's it. Your subject now has a clean, professional keyline that stands out beautifully against any background.